Not sure what to study? Here's the truth. Europe needs engineers. So step up. Start in Poland, where Polish universities push you forward. Poland is where modern tech meets bold ideas. The place where your future doesn't wait. Where real opportunities turn ambition into a global career. Here, you study in English. You build projects with people from across the world. You work in cutting-edge labs. You gain experience with companies that actually shape the future. And the student science clubs? They're next level. Race cars, satellites, Mars rovers. Designed by students winning worldwide. And you can be one of them. Plus, lower living costs, safe, vibrant cities, and more ways to live, create, explore, and grow than you can count. And after your studies, you step into the job market with power, confidence, and real possibilities. Choose one of Poland's top universities of technology. Join students from around the world who already chose to move forward. Be smart. Study engineering in Poland.